stigma surrounding mental health and promote open conversations in society?
Stigmas arise from personal levels. So it's not an individual who is stigmatized, it's the society as a whole which gets stigmatized. So not just it's not just a notion of an individual, but what he collects information from others around him or her is what creates stigma there. So one of the important facets there, what I would suggest, is educating these kind of communal partners of an individual. So the community as a whole should be educated much more about what mental health is, what kind of problems are occurring in mental milieu of an individual, and what disorders are, what usual positive mental well-being states is, those kind of things. And sharing kind of a personal story by individuals who have already suffered from disorders or even negative well-being state in certain stressful periods would also help out a lot to break this kind of stigmatic position of the society. So encouraging about having more and more open discussions like this forum format that you are doing are the correct kind of ways by which one can actually develop more wide public sizing of what mental health is and what and how should it be managed or looked after.
Support to empower. World Mental Health Day Mega Workshop.